I can't really convey the chaos in the time that we have. We've got 9 trading businesses across the group. We have lots of legacy stuff like that, we just got away with doing it that way. And what we really need to do was transform and modernise. So working with the team at Paradise has been great. One of the key things they helped us do was implement Sage 200 holistically across our group, but also develop some bespoke web-based software that gives our bespoke shoe factory the ability to produce one-off shoes every single time and follow a very unique process around that no software in the UK is geared up to deliver. Since the implementation of Sage and Sicon products in our business, we have more accurate, more live information across the business now. And what we've really done is build a really rich data set. It's enabled us to structure data in the right way that helps us make agile decisions going forward.